Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As promised, from the Garden of Juvias, which is the new palette that just came out, I am going to do the matte eye look for you. This is the palette. It's a pastel palette. I promise you a matte look, and I am going to deliver a matte look. I'm going to use two colors in there. Lucky Clover is this one right here, looks a little greenish, and Marigold, which is the yellow right here. So those are the two colors I'm going to use today to create a matte pastel look for you. I prime my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. I'm going to start with the Marigold, which is the yellow, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner section of my eyes, the front section. If you want more of a pop, or you want your color to pop more, you can use a lighter base, and that will show off your color more. I want to say thank you to all the new people who have subscribed to me. I appreciate you very much for coming on board. And also a big thank you for all the subscribers who have been with me along the way. I want to say thank you very much for staying with me. The brush I'm using is by Eco Tools. It's a double-ended. There's a smudge on one side and a fluffy side. So far, no fallouts. Now I'm going into Lucky Clove. Now I'm going into Lucky Clover, the green color. We will do the two swatches of the color that I used today, and also the swatches of the matte at the end. So please watch the video to the full length to see the swatches, and also that helps my view time on YouTube. YouTube measures our watch time on our videos to see how often they should be sending our videos out to you and to other people. So when you watch it all the way through, it gives my videos a better chance of getting to more people. Again, I have no fallouts. I'm looking for fallout. I don't have any fallout. I'm using the Fenty Press Powder Foundation in 420. As promised, I brought you the matte color eyeshadow look. I used two colors. This is what they look like. This is what it looks like in low light. I turned on the light a little, and this is what my look is and look like in lower light. I use a Lucky Clover and Marigold. The Marigold is the yellow and the Lucky Clover is the green. And I use those two colors to create this eye look on hooded eyes and very oily skin. So again, these are the colors that I use. I'll bring you a third look where I combine matte with shimmers, and that will be tomorrow. So check tomorrow's video out for a combination of matte and shimmers from the Garden of Juvias. These are the swatches of all the mattes in the palette that I promise you. They are really pretty. They're soft, but they're pretty. I build them up when I swatch them so you can have a better look at them. I am truly loving this palette. I did not have fallout. I am enjoying it because of the light pastel colors. If you like a pastel color eyeshadow look, you can get that. You can build the color up by wearing a lighter base. And I mean, I just love it. Today's word is reward. How often do you reward yourself for the good things that you do? Instead of when you do something you think it's wrong or it doesn't line up with you, you always bring yourself down. But when you do the good things, you don't reward yourself. You can reward yourself with something small. It does not have to be something big and expensive. Small rewards are very important on a daily basis to yourself. Maybe you take a nice bath, maybe you get your nails done, maybe you just sit down and relax, rewarding yourself for a hard day's work. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Again, today's look, two color eyeshadow look, pastel colors, from the Garden of Juvia's Place. I am saying bye. See you soon. Next video will be combination of matte and shimmers. Check it out tomorrow.